Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be learning about remote events. That's the way to get a local script from like Starter UI to work with a server script in like the server script servers. How you can get a remote event in your game is by going into replica storage, adding a folder or something, name it remotes. Remotes. I can't remember how to spell remotes today. Okay. And just add a remote event, which it's going to be just keep scrolling down, you'll find it. It should be in scripting, remote event. Just search remote. Rename it. It's just something. I'm gonna do kill because I'm gonna make a kill script that kills your player when you press a button in your GUI. Add a screen GUI. Add a button or something. I'm just gonna move it down here. And let's add a local script to that button. Okay, so obvious. It's a local script and another thing. So hopefully you know this, but to get the button to work, we need to go to script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, and then game. That's what we'll do that right now. Okay, that's basic for that script. All right, next script. So we're gonna need to just change the style to a Roblox button. Never mind, that's awful. I didn't. Which looks good. What the heck? That looks awful. There we go. That looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so add a script to the server script server. So you can just name this to kill the player. Okay, and we can do game. Oh, let's get to work. First, we need to do the local script. So what we need to do is we need to fire the remote event by going game.replicate.storage.remotes.kill. Kill fire server. That's all we need to do here. We don't need anything else. Alright, now we can go in the server script. We can go game.replicate.storage.remotes.kill on server connect function. And then here we're gonna have some things to say inside these brackets right here. So when you type a function, this might happen. Just delete that. Hold Shift and press 9 and 0. And if you hold Shift while pressing those two, it should give you these little brackets. And put your thing in them, and you're gonna. Oh my God! Don't hit Enter on accident. Okay. And inside these, we're just gonna type PLR. That's short for player. All right, not physical properties. Whoops. Okay. Now we can go. Now we're getting it and the player. So the player is obviously the player. So we're gonna kill him. PLR dot humanoid. Or actually, we need to get the character first. So we get the player dot character. Dot humanoid. That's the thing. That's essentially what keeps your character together and makes them controllable. Column take damage, and that's how we make him take damage. Then we take these little bracket things, 9 and 0, while holding Shift. And we're gonna put, since we want to kill him, and let's say they're at like 1,000 health because they have like some admin or something like that. We still want to kill them, right? So we're gonna do player.character dot humanoid max health. This will remove all their health. If you don't want to remove all their health and you just want to take 100, then go ahead and put 100 here. But otherwise, because you can actually put numbers here, you can put like 100. But this is just giving us the max health of our character, which is also a number. Boom. Now if we go in here and press this button, it should kill me. Well, my character in game. See, kills me. Nice. And that's what remote events can essentially be used for, and yeah. Now a few rules about remote events is that if you fire the server, you don't have to put player in. It's automatically put in for you. And if you just want to put extra things, like if you want to send a number, like say you want to send the player's name, I don't know why you do that, but or something like you just go like local equals and then just put whatever. And then just put that in there. And it's not going to be the first one, but it should be the second one put a comma, and space, and then just put some random letters down, and boom, you can print it or something. We can just do player dot character dot humanoid dot, I think it's display name equals. I think you can do it by doing like display name. I'm not sure. I'd have to figure it out by adding a humanoid. I can actually check that while I'm in game. I know it's not gonna work, but wait, what's the point of changing the display name? Yep, that was right. But you're gonna kill your player. But yeah, you get the point. You can use remote events for many things, but let's say you want to go from the server to the local and like make him make, I don't know, this block turn invisible for him, but not other players. Well, easy. We can just go into here. Just remove that. Game that players that player added connect function. This is when the player's added PLR. Game. We're gonna wait till the character's added. So DLR dot character added connect. Actually, what should we do? Wait. I didn't mean to do that. I forget sometimes that's in there. Just ignore all that stuff. So, that's just my editing program and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna wait, and that makes us wait a bit. I've accidentally pressed 0, and if I press 0 on there, it's gonna completely do that every time. But I can type 0 in the top number bar thing. All my number pad thing is for keybinds, like the plus, the addition sign thing, whatever you want to call it, is for starting and ending the video. But yeah, off topic again. Then we're gonna do wait 2 or 3, whatever. Don't look at my queue or press the number. And then we're gonna go game dot replicate storage dot remotes dot what did I name it? Kill fire. Now we can either fire all clients, which will fire everyone. So I obviously don't need to show you that because it's essentially just firing every client. But if I did do that, let's just say I did it, and here you'd go game dot replicate storage dot remotes dot kill dot on client event connect function. That easy. So yeah, that'll be firing all clients. It'll fire everyone in the whole server. But we're just trying to fire one, and here we have to put the player's name. And if you want to put a variable or something, we can do something like that, like boom, and you could put that in. I'll put it in for nothing. Let's go over here, and of course, but when it's going server or local, there will be none. There will be no player. It'll just be your variable. So we'll just go game dot workspace dot part dot transparency equals 0.5, and then we'll do re or print re, and if we go in here, it's gonna print blah blah blah. That's what it says essentially. And yeah, make this transparent. Oh. That's right, I don't have to press the button. You see, this is transparent, and it printed a bunch of random numbers, or letters. And that's essentially how that's done. So that's remote events. Very basic things of it, like, there's so many more complex things you can do, like, use the script to make remote events and then using it, yeah. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna be doing 2 tutorials today, so I think the next one's gonna be something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's creepy. My door was wide open. That's kind of creepy. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Better remote events. Hope you enjoy it, and enjoy your remote events and use them.